Here we have the tigers, and they're eating a watermelon. This is a watermelon eating a tiger, or a tiger eating a watermelon. More and more and more eating more watermelons. So much. He's trying to crunch it, I think. Do you think he's trying to crunch it? Tell us in the comments below. That was just a poll. Oops. He's trying to crunch it. Keep on crunching it, Mr. Tiger. Ooh, now he crunched it. Where's the watermelon gone, Mr. Tiger? Now he wants to eat it more. I guess he likes watermelon. Do you guess? Like watermelon? Ooh, put some water over there. Has he eaten it? Because I don't know. Is he not hungry? I think he's so hungry. Ooh, that was big. Why do the watermelon pieces float? Now you can eat it, Mr. Tiger. Now you have the warm bath. Again? Why you keep eating the watermelon? Okay. Ooh, look at his eyes. Looking at someone else. Now or something. Ooh, now that was cool. So cool. Oh, now he's crunching. Now he's done it. Now he's gonna eat it. I'm sweating over here today. It's the 24th of January today. Everyone knows that. So come to Sydney Zoo. You'll see a tiger. You'll see a tiger eating watermelons. Tiger eating watermelons. Yum, 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 yum.
Come on, let's go home.
Yeah. Yum.
Oh, look at the teeth.
Oh.
Did you see that, son?
Yeah. You might look at the teeth. Oh, now it's gone. Now it got stuck into his mouth. What? He just got it unstuck. And now he's gonna go away. Look at his eyes. They look like just normal as his fur.
Oh, come on. It's closing time.
And it's closing time.